Welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I'm using this dome cap and then I'm using lace. You can use any lace that you like, but better still is better you use the Swiss lace or HD lace. This is just a normal fabric lace, you know. So I'm attaching it with my needle and thread. I actually used a pin to attach it to the dome cap first so that it does not move around when I'm trying to sew it. So I'm sewing it down with my needle and thread. If you want to know how to cut out the pattern for your lace front, either your 4x4, 5x5, anyone, your frontal, just let me know in the comment section and I'll show you how to do the measurements and make sure you get your lace closure measurement perfectly. So that was how I was able to achieve the T-part lace front. So I'm just using the scissors to cut it out. So that's how I was able to achieve this. This is another one actually. I just wanted to show you guys how I did that. Then with a pencil, I'm trying to outline the hairline. I would actually not use this hairline anymore. I changed it, but just showing you how, in case you want to do yours, how you can actually get your hairline so that you don't make mistake. And if you want to also get your middle part, you can use your pencil, you can use chalk, you can use foundation, but for me, I'm using a pencil this time to outline the hairline as well as the middle part. I'm using Darling Nigeria Empress Collection Body Wave. That bottle is the detangling spray that came with it. So I'm just going to cut it out now. And I'm removing all those short hairs that is normally attached to where the tracks is sewn. I've done half of it already. This is how it's looking, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this on the other side just to save time. So I'm showing you how you should hold the hair when you want to ventilate. Hold it around close to the tip. If you hold it at the middle, you will lose the pattern, except maybe you want to do a straight closure, a straight closure, then you can just straighten it out. But if you still want to maintain the coils, this is how you should hold it, not too far from the tip. That way the coils will be maintained. I'm using a ventilating needle, just a regular ventilating needle. And for the hairline, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the hairline. I'm actually going to ventilate the hairline first. I'm picking just one strand because I do not want it to be very bulky. I want it to look very, very natural, as you guys can see. So to achieve this, just keep picking one strand. I'm not spacing this. Each hole I'm actually going to ventilate on it. I'm not leaving any space in between at all except for the middle part. So for the hairline, I'm just going to continue using one strand. Don't worry, somewhere towards the middle of this video, I'm actually going to do a close-up of how I ventilate so you can see. I know this is not too clear. I don't know, my phone, I'm filming with my phone. I've tried and tried and tried. I just couldn't get it to focus, but somewhere around the middle of this video, you will actually get a close-up. Don't worry. If you've not subscribed already at this point, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, support your baby girl, and I know you're already finding this video interesting and useful already. Subscribe, like this video, share this video to anybody that you feel will benefit. Of course, every lady will benefit from this video. So I'm just going to continue, ventilating one strand at a time, and no space at all except for the middle part. For the back, I'm actually taking two to three strands, sometimes 4 strands, because I want it to cover up where I actually joined the lace and the cap together. I don't want it to show. I don't want it to be visible. Yeah, so this is what we have now. You see how clean and natural the hairline looks, as well as the middle part. So yeah, I'm continuing. I'm still doing single strands at the front at this point. I'm going to show you guys when I switch. Don't worry, like I said, you will get to see a clearer, a close-up of how to ventilate. In case you don't know how to ventilate, a close-up, I will show you guys. So this is what we have so far. Can you see how natural it looks, not bulky at all. Around here I just did single strands, but like I said, towards where I joined the closure and the wig cap, around here I took 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 strands, but here is just single strands. See how natural it looks. So now for the middle part, I'm going to show you the pattern I used. For the first 5 lines after the middle part, I use single strands. As you guys can see, this is a close-up video of how to ventilate. Yeah, see, I pick 1 strand, pass it through the lace, and then I knot it together, pass the ventilating needle into the net, pick 1 strand again, pass it around again, and then knot it. It's very simple, guys, very simple. Just watch and see. So for the first 5 lines, I'm actually going to be picking just one strands. So yeah, once again, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do subscribe. Trust me, more and more of these kind of videos will be coming up, and other interesting hair videos, beauty videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. So subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. You don't get to miss out my future uploads. You can also watch my other videos. I have some videos here that you would find interesting. So I would actually, for how I achieve the middle part, I leave 2 spaces, like 2 holes in between the both sides. I hope I'm explaining well, but I just leave 2 spaces. I ventilate, but when it's like 2 holes remaining to get to the other side, I leave 2 holes in between both the left and the right. I hope I'm actually explaining this right, but you get my point, Sha. Just keep watching. If you're using normal fabric lace, you have to be careful because the ventilating needle can tear. It's not as strong as the Swiss lace. That's the disadvantage. If you're making this for a client, please use the Swiss lace because this one can easily tear. So now I want to show you guys how I'm able to cover up so that the part where I joined the lace and the cap would not show. At the back here, I use 2 strands. 2 strands, sometimes 3 strands, but at the middle part, I use just single strand. It's just the same pattern. Around all the edges, I use 2 to 3 strands. Around all the areas where I sewed down the lace to the cap, I use 2 to 3 strands, sometimes 4 strands, depending on what the needle picks. But along the part and the hairline, I made sure it was just single strands. So this is how it looks like. I'm done right now ventilating the lace front. So what do you guys think? I know you guys love it already. I'm not even done with the hair yet. I'm just showing you guys how natural it looks. So I'm now going to sew down the tracks, attach the tracks now to the hair. I'm just going to be sewing it down, and the pattern you use for this is actually different from the way you will not sew your normal wigs. You can see that this is a T-part. It's not like your regular closure or your regular frontal. So there's a trick to this. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I didn't really show all the process, but just watch. If you watch, you get it, but if not, just leave a comment down in the comment section that I should show you guys how I sew this down, and I'll definitely make a video like that. So an observation I made, you can see how tacky the tracks were sewn. That's glue. Like, that's what I was encountering even when I was ventilating. Like, there was glue all over on the hair, on the tracks. Sometimes the track was not sewn well, just something to note. Okay, and because of the glue, it made it difficult for me sometimes to pass my hand through. It was making it tangle a lot. That's just a note. You can see how rough that looks, and you see, because of the glue, I can't pass my hand through the tracks. That's one thing you should note, that Yeah, I don't know if it's just because of this one I got, but I bought 2 packs and both packs were like this. I actually used 4.5 bundle for this hair because I want it to be very full. But if you don't want it to be as full as mine, you can just use just 1 pack or maybe 4 bundles. But I used 4.5 bundles, almost 5 bundles. At this point, I was worried because I was like, oh my god, maybe this is just going to be a tangled mess. But my god, look at it now. See this hair. Oh my god, like I'm feeling myself. I finished work for this hair. See fine hair, they shake now. My god, this hair is so cute, and the coils are divine. Damn. So cute. I love the hair. So cute. And I'm just going to spray the detangling spray on it right now. What I noticed is it gives it a shine immediately. It gives it a shine, and the hair just, the coils, you see, the coils just become more defined with the detangling spray, and it indeed makes the hair easier to just put your hand through, comb it. Guys, I love, it's so cute. So easy to work with this hair. Like, my god, I think this hair would really be amazing for a bridal hairstyle. You can use this for your bridal hairstyles in case maybe you can't afford a human hair. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of this video. This hair is so soft, and the detangling spray indeed made it even extra soft and very easy to just run your hands through it. Okay, this is how it looks like. I've shown you guys how to wear it both on the side and like this. So I would actually need, I'm so tired guys, I'm so tired. I would do the installation video. It's so snug, I don't even need to add any rubber band or anything to it. I made it perfectly for my hair size. So in my next video, I'm actually going to properly install it, do the baby hairs, pluck it a bit. And actually this is the pattern I used. I didn't do like just straight, and I did this for a purpose. I did this for a reason, you know. So this is how it looks like I really love this. So for just an observation and also recommendation for Darling Nigeria, you would have seen from the previous video where I was showing you guys that it was done tacky, like the tracks were very tacky. They were glue all over. I had to be removing glue even on the hair, on the knot itself, you know. And the tracks were sewn shabbily, like, so I don't know if it was sewn in a rush, but I'm just saying, this is just my observation. So Darling Nigeria, if you ever watch this video, please do take note of that. Try to make it a little bit neat. But aside that, this hair is a killer. Like, look at this on a budget. And also I make wigs. Okay, this is why I'm actually doing this video. I make wigs. If you have your bundles, any kind of bundles, whether your packet bundles or normal naked human hair, anyone at all, and you want to transform them into wigs like this, and maybe you don't have closures, or you just want a simple T-part like this, you see, it actually functions as a frontal at the same time as as a middle part, you know, wig. You can even just wear it like this. The trick is in the sew-in, you know, the trick is in the sewing and also in the ventilating. Okay, so I do this. If you're interested in turning your bundles into wig, or if you want me to make something like this for you, just hit me up. I'm going to leave a link down to my WhatsApp, my business WhatsApp, my hair business, down in the description bar, so we can get talking and I can actually talk to you. You can talk to me about making this for you, or if you want to make it yourself, no problem. But if you want me to do it for you, if you have bundles already and you're thinking, oh, what do I do with my bundles? I don't have closures, I don't have frontals, just hit me up. Okay, hit me up in the comment section. So guys, I really love this hair. Watch out for my next video where I would actually install this hair on my head. Okay, fun fact, this took me like a week to complete, and I was just doing it here and there because this one I actually made for myself. It's not for somebody, so I wasn't doing it with urgency, and I also had other jobs I was doing, so I was just doing this you know. So yeah, I make closures, I make frontals, I make wigs, I sell hair, human hair, blend hair, anyone you want to buy. So if you're interested, hit me up. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Support your girl. Okay, bye.